Hi, welcome to TechTune Academy. I'm Kevin. TechTune Academy is a channel for product development engineers and modification technicians to better learn and communicate. We are committed to transforming complex audio technology into an operable knowledge system, improving scientific tuning technology, breaking through the limits of sound field, and achieving professional sound performance. Our topic in this phase is how to design a car audio system with HIFI-X14 to design panoramic sound. First, the model is designed with a total of 14 channels of power amplifier. Channels 1 and 2 bridge drive the super subwoofer. Channels 3 to 6 drive the subwoofer. Channels 7 to 10 drive the middle speaker. Channels 11 to 14 drive the tweeter. If you also need a better dynamic bass effect, channels 15 and 16 can expand the external power amplifier to drive the super subwoofer. Next, we move into the tuning interface of HIFI-X14, which is designed to be ergonomic and very easy to operate. First, let's connect the tuning software to the laptop. Step 1. Set up the root. Why set up the root in the first place? The routing function in the tuning software is the nerve center of the car audio system, and its core role is to establish an accurate signal transmission path. Click Root in the menu to enter the operation interface. Because the X14 is designed with 14 channels of high-level input, this design is compatible with all the original car systems in the market. The original car with power amplifier audio system output has more than 8 channels when designing the X14 system. You should first know whether your original car is only a high-level output of the head unit for channels, or the original car with a power amplifier sound system has multiple channels of output. Now I will use the high-level output of the original head unit for channels for installation. We need to distribute the 4 channels of input to each channel of output, and at this time your car will have a sound from each speaker. If some speakers still have no sound output, please check whether your installation wiring is correct. Please check your installation situation patiently. Step 2. Set the frequency division of each channel. According to our design ideas, channel 1 and 2 bridge drive super subwoofer, channel 3 to 6 drive subwoofer, channel 7 to 10 drive medium speaker, channel 11 to 14 drive tweeter. Click CH1 to pull down LF and CH2 LF. Then click Bridge to bridge 1 and 2. Since we use this for super subwoofers, I suggest that the HPF is set to 20 Hz, the LFH is set to 100 Hz, because the quality of different speakers is not the same, so the actual adjustment, you can refer to our method on scientific tuning. Choose the frequency that suits you. Click the LF of CH3 to CH6, and then combine the 4 channels to make the 4 channels consistent. This speaker is for bass and middle. I suggest setting HPF to 100 Hz, LFH to 50 Hz. Click the MF of 710, and then combine the 4 channels to make the 4 channels consistent. This speaker is responsible for the mid-range. Click the HF of 1114 and then combine the 4 channels to make the 4 channels consistent. This speaker is responsible for the treble. Similarly, if you need to expand the power amplifier through the 15 and 16 to drive the ultra subwoofer, then you use the same way to set the frequency division. Now your sound system is preliminarily set up. You can adjust EQ, delay, slope, etc. according to your experience and preferences. If you want to learn more about the science of tuning, stay tuned for our upcoming lessons. In scientific tuning, we need to use M2 acoustic analyzer for comparative measurement. Please learn about M2 installation and configuration in advance and discuss with me then.